Hi there, welcome back to Evermore Creative Art Studio. I'm Lauren, and this is Friday follow-up from Wednesday Work in Progress, where I'm finishing up some tags that I made from photo transfers. That's part of a larger project. I barely got this part done. It's a scramble for me, but it is done for the most part. So here, I'll show you. We'll have a look. I think this one was done before. You've seen that one already. And same with this one, the little bird. And this one. So now, this was that funny little piece that I didn't know what to do with. It was all scratchy, and so I turned it into kind of a floral ticket. That's kind of pretty, I think. And then this one also had some scratchies down there. It's like the whole image was gone. So, I mean, that happens sometimes with photo transfers, the way I do them. So, this is my solution, is to put a band on it, a little band, and I can tuck a little note in there, just like that. And here's the other one. It's just got a plain ribbon on it. The back side like that. I've covered all the backs. This is on a 8.5 by 11 cardstock, so the backs are just plain unless they get kind of grungy while I'm working, so I just put a cover on them. And I haven't put a tag or anything on that because I can't quite figure out what I want to do, but I might not do anything because it's so big, but it's close enough to done. I'm happy. And now this one was the vintage photos. And there's the not a pot belly stove, I think it is. That one was finished when I started my work in progress, and this one was finished. But that was all that was done. So today I did a little photo coloring on here. The truck really blended into the background really badly, so I wanted to make it stand out, so I got some alcohol inks and colored it up a little bit. Oh, and I turned it into a postcard. And this one was just an extra cut. It didn't have any photo on it or anything, so I just turned it into a ticket and later can add something to it if I want to put a sentiment in or something. And this one also had a lot of struggles because in here and in the ink bottle, it was really hard to see what that was because it was so sketchy. And I think what happened was I put too thin a layer of my matte medium when I did my transfers. So I fixed it though with alcohol ink, and I think it looks better. And then I just put this band across so the sentiment can go on later, and photo corners. It kind of worked out pretty good, I thought. And this one, same thing as with the other car, it just blended into the background, just the one color. So I got out the alcohol markers, and honestly it was not that bright when I finished it. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna go in with a brown now and tone it down a little because that's a bit green for me. And then this one with the house. A lot of these old photos, because they were sepia toned and everything, they didn't have a lot of contrast in them, so when they transferred over, they were just like a blob, and it was hard to see what the image was. And I thought, well, you know, I can't, they're not good for anything anyway, so I'm going to try and save them. So again, I did the alcohol markers on there, and I just put a little number, like maybe that's the building number, and a little stamp, little whatnots there. So that's what I did. That was my Wednesday work in progress, and that is my Friday follow-up. So now my photo transfer project is finished. So when I'm done editing, which I'm planning to do this weekend, cross my fingers that I don't get derailed, it should be up either Sunday evening or Monday sometime. So keep a watch out for that. And if you haven't already, it'd be really nice if you subscribe to my channel, and then you wouldn't miss it. Hit the little bell for the notifications too, and if you could, if you liked it, give me a little thumbs up. That always helps too. Thank you so much for popping in and seeing my Friday follow-up. I'll have links to the other gals that were participating in this collaboration too down in the links below. So thank you so much for spending this time with me, and have a great weekend, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.